Right guys, as you saw in the video, we've got a 2.1 diesel. This is a Mercedes 2.1 diesel 2016 GLA. This 2.1 diesel is in most of the Mercedes models. Now, as you saw, it cranks, doesn't start. We've done a thorough check. The car's all fixed now, but I shall show you as well what the whole situation has been. So, on the diagnostic, this is what came up. The fueling system, in other words. Now, we opened up, which we would recommend anyway, we opened up these and there was fuel coming into the injectors, which shows the fuel pump was fine, the high pressure, low pressure, whatever you want to say, was fine. They were all good, we were getting fuel, diagnostic was showing all good in that sense in the live data. So, what we did to eliminate the fault was to change injectors. Now, we didn't change one injector, we changed all four. We put a refurb ones in there to be sure that they are 100% working and not used. I mean, used probably cheap, but refurb you'd be looking at something like that, 150, 180, 200, 250, depending on where you get it from. Long story short, change the injectors and this is the result, guys. So the good thing is it's now solved, let's get that straight, and it turns on with a click. There you go, no warning light, and the engine runs smooth as anything. So that's what we ended up doing. That's what's been eliminated. In your case, it could be different, guys. It could be the high pressure fuel pump. You know what I mean? I can't really guarantee, but what our recommendation would be, before you start doing that, turn the ignition on without turning the engine, obviously. Open these up and just see if fuel does come. Obviously, if it crank it as well, sometimes the fuel may not work, so crank it, see if fuel line comes. If obviously there is no fuel coming out of it, then it might be the fuel pump. But in this case, luckily we got away with these injectors. We've changed them all, and as you can see, it turns on straight away. Also, in some cases, guys, it may not be like this where it cranks and nothing starts. In your case, it may be juddering, sluggish, loss of power, misfiring in that sense, and it may come up with them faults as well. But sometimes if you look, it'll just give you, you know, cylinder one, injector one, whatever you want to call it, it's faulty. So if it does, then again, check. You can do a live data to see what the feeds are in each one. If that helps you, good. If not, then it'll be the injectors again that way, or the fuel pump, in other words. But as we can see, it turns on without any issues.